Hello, my name is Paul Lawver with the Uline Corporation. I'm here at our manufacturing plant in Milwaukee, Wisconsin. Yes, our products are made right here in the USA since 1962. We use the highest grade stainless steel materials and a leading manufacturer using R600A high output compressor technology. Our high grade materials ensure long life, efficiency, and a consistent aesthetic look throughout the home. Today, I will discuss the features and benefits of our one-class HWC024 wine refrigerator. This wine refrigerator is a smart choice for any room throughout the home. It's available in a 24-inch, comes with a stainless steel glass door, stainless handle, and a stainless toe kick. It's designed to store a variety of wine bottles, including champagne and Magnum wine bottles. This product installs beautifully into cabinetry or in freestanding applications with an optional freestanding kit. The door is fully wrapped, and the glass door has dual panes of glass filled with argon gas, which acts as an insulator and protects stored items like wines from harmful UV rays. We offer an easy-to-read digital touchpad control with blue LED display. This allows for ease of setting the temperature from 34 to 60 degrees, activating the on-off light control, as well as setting our StarK certified Sabbath mode. The interior lights are bright white LED, allowing full visibility of the contents. The convection cooling system provides a quick cool down for those just purchased items and a consistent temperature from top to bottom. This 24-inch unit has an extra large 5.7 cubic foot black interior with 4 fixed black wine racks that can hold up to 38 750 milliliter wine bottles. One of the coolest features is our new extended lower interior. This design allows for more storage options such as 750 milliliter, 1.5 milliliter wine bottles, as well as 2-liter sodas. Installation is easy as this model is field reversible and comes from the factory with the hinge on the right hand side. A 24.25 inch opening is required for a flush to cabinet look like you see here, or a 24-inch opening for a more traditional proud look. Uline uses a very efficient refrigerant called R600A, which is environmentally friendly with a very low global warming potential. Doing our part to help preserve our planet is a priority for us here at Uline. The one-class product line comes with a 1-year warranty on parts and labor and a 5-year warranty on the sealed system. An additional free 2nd-year warranty is available if the unit is registered at uline.com within the first 60 days of purchase. See our complete warranty for details. Go visit uline.com for detailed product specifications and to see our full product offering. Thanks for watching.